Online Bazaar every Saturday and Sunday. It is a showcase by our women entrepreneurs, our We Do Work Peer members. And இன்னைக்கு வந்து on this We Do Online Bazaar ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம ஷோகேஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Cloth napkins, cloth sanitary napkins and traditional rice varieties. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு விமன் ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஸுமே ரொம்ப பேஷனட்டா அவங்களுடைய பிஸ்னஸஸை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So in We Do Online Bazaar, the main aim அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா to bring in more visibility and more sales for our women entrepreneurs. And எங்களுடைய பேஜ்ல போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி நீங்க We Do Work Peerல மெம்பர் ஆகலாம், இல்லை எப்படி வீடியோட நீங்க லிங்க் ஆகலாம் அப்படின்னு மற்ற விமன் ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா எங்களை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோவை பார்க்குறவங்க, இந்த லைவை பார்க்குறவங்க, பின்னாடி மறுபடியும் ரீவிசிட் பண்ணி வாட்ச் பார்ட்டியை பார்க்குறவங்க, importanta, if you want to support women entrepreneurs, which you should be doing, because women amidst all their challenges with their family pressures and everything, they want to get a space for themselves by becoming an entrepreneur. So if you could really support them on their ventures, and if you could share these videos to others, the number of products, the most innovative way they come up with products, every product has a life in it. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற இந்த ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்ட்ஸும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அகைன் ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் ரைஸ் வெரைட்டியா இருக்கட்டும், இல்ல கிளாத் நாப்கின்ஸா இருக்கட்டும், ஹெல்த்தை ரொம்ப பேஸா வச்சு எத்தனையோ பிசினஸ் இருக்கு, ஒரு ரீசெல்லர் ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு, எனி திங் விச் ஹேஸ் குட் ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டின்னு எடுத்து பண்ணாம இதைதான் பண்ணுவோம், திஸ் இஸ் ஹவு வி வில் கம் அப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு சில ப்ராடக்ட்ஸை ஒன்னா போட்டு பண்றாங்க. ஸோ இந்த ஒரு இனிஷியேட்டிவை வந்து அவங்களுக்காக நம்ம வெல்கம் பண்ணியே ஆகணும். ஸோ இந்த வகையில இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஃபெம்ஷுவர் கிளாத் பிராண்டோடைய ஓனர் ஸ்ரீவித்யா அண்ட் ஆர்கானிக் பாசிட்டிவ் உடைய ஓனர் கிருத்திகா, இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் நம்ம வந்து இன்னைக்கு we are going to invite them on this live. So first of all, I would like to invite Srividya. Welcome, Srividya.
Hello, ma'am. Hello everyone.
Hi, hello. And ஒரு நிமிஷம் Srividya, before you actually start your session, so உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இந்த பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு தோணுச்சு? சின்னதா உங்களை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Okay. I'm Srividya. I manufacture this cloth pads. The reason behind இது வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு எதுக்கு தோணுச்சுன்னா, because I'm a victim of menstrual hazard, the toxicity. எல்லாத்துக்கும் I'm a victim because I suffered from cervical infection to fertility issues because of the disposables. So I just ellame எனக்கு வந்து I want every women to switch into sustainable menstruations and stay healthy. So that is the reason behind this business.
Okay, Srividya. So when did you start your business and how are you progressing? Do you think results are showing? நீங்க எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண health results வந்து உங்களுடைய business காட்டிட்டு இருக்கா?
Yes, actually என்னோட after making this cloth pads, என்னோட period cycle வந்து it got regularized and cervical infections எல்லாமே குறைஞ்சது and என்னோட ஒரு close relative, she was so happy with the ஏன்னா அவங்க 20 years she just had so much of rashes, and after using this pad she was saying that after 20 years I got a very good good health, menstrual health. That is what, and also she was out of the rashes. So that is how it started, and now இது வந்து நிறைய பேர் வரவே இருக்காங்க. Everybody are encouraging this.
Okay, that's wonderful. So please go ahead with your products. Show us more about your product, and I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for a lot of others out there. Over to you, and please go ahead.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm Srividya, manufacturer of cloth reusable menstrual pads. I'm residing at Bangalore. So this is the pad I make. This pad completely gives equal comfort which you experience in a disposable. Like you will have a stay dry layer. இது வந்து இந்த layer வந்து this is good for both wet rashes and dry rashes. Anybody who is suffering from wet rashes and dry rashes, this pad can be used, because this is a wicking fabric as well as retains some moisture to avoid dry rashes. Hence idoda top layer I have just used a wicking fabric, soft wicking. Idu vandu technically we call it jersey, and this has a backer layer which is a fleece backer. This backer is a water resistant backer, and so it till the pad gets full, it will not leak. So this is a heavy pad, and inside this I have just sandwiched multiple cloth cotton fabrics like flannel and terries. So this can be wrapped with the snap buttons under the panties. This is a way it has to be snapped. So as a whole, this is a cloth pad, and either one you can wash and reuse it for next 2 years. So minimum or a lady she will be if she is a medium bleeder, she might require 6 pads, and it can be reused for next 2 years. So when we come, this is a one-time investment for next 2 years. So comparatively, it is a cost-effective product for a long run. So idhula vandu I have multiple sizes like small, medium, large, and different colors. This is black and this is gray. Some people want to check for the stains and they go for the light colored topper, and some get a gross feeling and they go for a dark color. So we have the options for both the stuff, both the thoughts. And a new design is being introduced by me in India, that is H pad. This H pad is a super heavy bleeder friendly pad. It has 2 water resistant layer, so this absorbs for minimum 5 hours for a heavy bleeder, and for if people like medium bleeders, they can definitely confidently use it for more than 7 hours. But I don't recommend it, because for minimum for 6 hours you have to change for the pad. So this can be purchased by heavy bleeders. And how to wrap this is like, this has to come under the panty. This layer has to come under the panty, and we have to just wrap it like this. This is how it is like we are keeping 2 pads. So people who are having heavy bleeding, they can definitely use this, wash it and reuse it for next 2 years. So, and what is the washing pattern? It is very simple. You can just soak it for, if you're washing it immediately, you just have to soak it for next 20 minutes, and then you can just rub it against this and wash it in detergent. Normal wash, just like a normal fabric is being washed. It can be washed in it can be machine washed as well, but before that you just have to soak it for 20 minutes. If people, working women who are storing the pads, I have wet bags for that. People who are storing the pads, they have to soak it for overnight, and the next day the same process can be done. Just soak it and then wash it in the detergent or machine wash. That's it. It is very simple in washing. So, and the toxicity, people think for hygiene purpose. I would say you are not using a hygienic pad just because you are discarding the product. See, disposables are not hygiene. They are highly toxic. Before discarding, the toxic reacts with your blood and it goes into your vagina, and it is not at all hygienic. Whereas if you wash and reuse this, you will not have any kind of hygienic issues. If you sun dry it, definitely you don't get any kind of rashes or any issues with this cloth pads. So please switch yourself into sustainable menstruation. It is a zero waste product, so you are not giving any problem or trouble to the environment. None of the garbage workers will be affected. None of the stray animals will be affected. You can wash it, reuse it, dry it. It goes to your wardrobe. It doesn't goes to any kind of garbage. So please switch yourself into sustainable menstruation. And also call me for more details if you have more doubts. Yeah. Thank you.
That's wonderful, Shri. So, yeah, give me a second. Yeah, okay. So, Srividya, so how is the welcome, especially with college students or people who are so used to, disposable? Have you tried talking to them? What has been their feedback in terms of adapting themselves to this? Is there still an inhibition, or are they adapting it?
So, like as of now, few of almost 70% of the customers are mothers, because they have seen all kind of. They are not. They are fine with the washing stuffs, but I haven't got any college going people. But I got teenager customers, like their mothers. They come, initiate this, and they just want to introduce their kids with cloth pads before introducing into disposables. Like a girl, if she is about to attend her puberty, before that her mother approaches me and talk to me a lot about she just understand how it benefits, and she wants to train her daughter in terms of washing instead of going for disposables. This
Wonderful,
is all. Yeah.
There's a small question for you. Can you please mention the price of the pad?
Yes, sure. So the price starts from 150. This is the panty liners. It has a square pattern and curve pattern. Square pattern starts from 150 and curve pattern is 165. And it goes on like medium. Medium is 180 and 195. Large is 220 and 235. And this H pad has multiple sizes. Starts from 250 and it goes till 300 depending upon the length you opt. Like I have 10 inch, 12 inch and 15 inch. So depending upon the length, the prices are given. Yeah.
That's wonderful. So, Srividya, that was really very informative, and thank you very much. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of people try this and transform a little bit. So, I mean, for some of them whom I know, at least, in the last few days, first they should probably, start using when the flow is a little less, and then, slowly start trying this out, and only then, I think we've been so comfortably disposing was like, okay, we've got rid of things. I mean, now it's not our problem anymore. But I think we should try this, and we should, because when it has a lot of health benefits, why not give it a try? And then, if it's adaptable, it's fantastic. That's great, Srividya. Is there any other tip that you want to give people in terms of maintaining the cloth pads or, yeah?
Yes, I just want to add one point, that is, people who are hesitant towards this cloth pad, they can come, they can choose their size. 1 or 2 pads is given as a minimum order. So they, with an extra shipment cost, so they can just use 1 pad or 2 pads and understand the product first instead of going for a bulk, so that that will benefit me as well as them. It will benefit me in showcasing my product, improving my product, how good it is, and they can understand how this pad works, and then go for another and go for building their stash.
Wonderful. So, actually, while we were discussing, you mentioned about NGOs preferring your product, right? So, I'm sure there will be a lot of NGO people or people associated with clubs like Rotary and Lions who do a lot of charity work for the NGO. So, how do you think your product is going to be a very good suggestion for such charity oriented people? How can they approach you, and how can you help them in, providing this to clubs, through clubs like Rotary and Lions Club? How is that? You said you are connecting like that, right? So how does that work? Like, what is this as a suggestion, as a product? What would you want to say?
So the NGO kids, they are very much good at washing stuff, because I don't think the kids will be opting for any washing machine or such kind of stuff. So this is not very hard for them to wash, and also they have the right to switch for sustainable menstruation as well. I have worked with 3 NGO orders, and from my part, I just reduce price per pad to those people who wish to donate, considering it as my own donation part. So per pad, I reduce minimum 40 to 50 rupees for an NGO order. And this is how I just got 3 orders, and they were really happy, and they could educate those girls, because these kind of stuffs is not being educated for those NGO people. So a person who wants to sponsor, they can sponsor on this as a useful, because we have to educate those kids as well. So I am happy to work with those NGOs, and I expect few more people, few more sponsors who can come ahead and sponsor for such stuff. This will also benefit those kids.